Alright, it's Craftsman 3, 20 horsepower, horizontal shaft, Onan 20 horsepower engine. All it needs to be running is a starter, new air filter, fresh oil, fresh gas in the tank, then it's ready to roll. Leather wrapped steering wheel, plow-able drawbar hitch on the back, .23-inch garden tractor tires, 44-inch deck, electronic deck lift, Spic 6-speed high-low range transmission, 3 speeds in high, 3 speeds in low, 1 reverse speed. Well ventilated hood. Attach an attachment for a plow that can be put at the front, either a plow or either like a plow or snow remover, something like that. There's another attachment right there that can take one. Folks, believe it or not, I paid $40 for this tractor. I paid $40 for this tractor. That concludes. After I get the tractor running, I will be back with another video of the tractor running. God bless you. Have a great day.